This was previously recorded.
Or whatever, but I just be thankful for provision. You understand what I'm saying? My pastor told a story about him and our head deacon, who was also the chairman of our trustee board. He passed about 2 years ago, and he was telling the story about they were going out somewhere ministering to some of our sick members, and they had come upon a guy. They had stopped at the store to get gas, and the deacon had gone. I think the deacon had gone in the store, and the pastor was in the car, and they saw a man digging in the trash. The man got a plate out of the trash, but guess what he did? He looked in there, he closed it, he blessed that food, and I don't think they let him eat it. I think they.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop.
Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. It's the Sunday after Thanksgiving, and I just had to go pick up a few things from the store. Y'all don't know me. One of my favorite dishes is smothered pork steaks with rice and gravy, sweet potatoes, and greens. So I had some greens left over from Thanksgiving, and so we're going to finish up the Thanksgiving dinner today, and usually this would be a Sunday meal, so I'm going to actually fix it tomorrow. But I went to Walmart, and I got these ornament hangers. I've never seen them made like this, so I'm guessing they'll be easier and they'll fit better on the tree. And they're plastic. I want to put some lights out on my tree. Up on my house. I think I have some of these already, but I went ahead and got some more. And I got this KitchenAid measure, prep, and storage set. Every year for Christmas, I get something for the house. This is $20. I bet it was probably $10 Black Friday. I bet I missed the sale. But anyway, I went ahead and got that because it make it easy when I'm preparing. I want to do more cooking videos, trying to, get situated and all that. So I got that. I got my 2 things of peanuts. One of these I guess this will probably last me 2 weeks. I went to this Cost Plus store. I love their pork steaks. And so I got this large pack for $8.21. I bought 2 packs because this one is $7.89. And then they also had their assorted pork chops, and I got that for $5.28. Why you buying all that pork? Because it's on sale. I hadn't bought any pork steaks because the last time I went there, when I got the chicken for the church, 1 pack like this was more than 2 of these together. So that's why I went ahead and got 2. My son, I had bought this to use once for my hair. I liked it, but I kind of think it brought my hair out. But my son loves it on his hair. He gets his hair cut with like a high top in the top, and then he used a sponge and fix his hair. So he got that. Back in the day when we used to go to the beauty shop, my mom used to send me and my 2 sisters, we would get the lady would use the Pro-Line products. I sure wish they had still made the setting lotion. I have not been able to find it. Pro-Line setting lotion. When I was at Grambling, I used to go get my hair cut. Oh, my hair would be beautiful because I would use that setting lotion. And I mean, those curls would last a whole 2 weeks, a week, or however I was doing my hair at the time. Y'all, I got this Walmart whipping cream, Cool Whip. This is $2.07, and this 16 ounce. And the Cool Whip brand is $1.98 for 8. And for what I'm using it for, it's gonna be fine. But what I'm doing is, and I'll tell y'all about it. This year for Christmas, 2 things I found. For Thanksgiving, 2 of the items that have been staples in my recipes ever since I've been able to cook are no longer being produced. So I was like, oh my God, could they sell the recipe to some other company so that they can fix it? And one of them is the Jack's vanilla wafers. Now, I'm gonna do a little thing about that. I'll tell you about it. But anyway, so my son, he needed some lunch meat. I'm gonna start buying a lunch meat on Sundays, and because you know what, I read where it said lunch meat once it's open is only good for 7 days. And he had some turkey I had bought from Sam's. He didn't use it right away. I paid like $11 for it. We put it in the freezer, then I took it out, and then he used it some days, and some days he may have eaten leftovers or whatever. But I know it was out more than 7 days. And I don't know, I guess it's because how they process it with all the extra salt and stuff, so I don't know. One day this week I'm making chicken pot pie, and I like to use the whole carrots. What I do, I clean these carrots, I cut them up a little thick, not too thick, but kind of thick, and I boil the carrots and the potatoes in seasoned chicken broth. Yeah, and that's how I take that and mix that with my cube chicken, and what it is a rotisserie chicken from Sam's. I try to do it. Sometimes, y'all, when I come home in the evening, I'm just trying to cook and get situated for the day, and I may not record. But if I do, if I remember, I'll do it. I got a big thing of Louisiana hot sauce. This is what my son prefer. Why they got a spot? I didn't see that on there. I guess it's fine because it's covered, though. That must have come from up under there or something. I don't know. I got my apples. These 4 apples were $6, and they're huge again. Walmart has the best Cosmic Crisp apples. They're $1.98 a pound, and these were $6. I got pinto beans, and I got red kidney beans because I'm going to put beans in my rotation once a week, and I just put them on in the crock pot. I could fry pork chop. I could bake a pork chop, bake chicken, fried chicken, whatever to go with it. But I want to start eating more beans, more healthy for you. I got these bananas because I want to try. I bought a new kind of vanilla wafers because I'm trying to. I think for our feeding in December we're doing gumbo, and I want to make banana pudding. And I need to find out how many pans I'll need. Probably about 4. And how many things of vanilla wafers I use. But the vanilla wafers that I used to use, I've been using ever since I've been cooking, making banana puddings, ever since I was a kid in the kitchen. They no longer are making them. And I'm saddened about that. I got me some more of the Equate flushable wipes. Y'all know I told y'all about this. I like, you do, to clean up, you do dry, wet with these, and dry again. And then I bought some chicken because I got a few, I got a little leftover dressing, a little leftover broccoli, and of course the greens I said for tomorrow. But I want to go ahead and fry some chicken to go with it. I have a little turkey left. I have a little ham. But at this point, I want to take that ham and slice it up for the seasoning, my beans and greens and stuff like that. And the turkey, I'm going to freeze it. And I'm going to take that and actually make a gumbo. I'm gonna use a turkey and chicken, sausage and crab and stuff for gumbo. So yeah, but I just wanted to show y'all what I got. Welcome all my new subscribers. I wish you all a safe, happy, prosperous holiday season. For me, from Thanksgiving to New Year's is the holiday season. And I got to church a little late. I went and picked up one of my members, and they were talking about the giving tree, the angel tree. So I'm going to get a name, and I'm going to let my son pick a name. Y'all, whatever you could do to help somebody else, especially somebody that's in need. I'm not talking about nobody that's living with abundance. I'm talking about people that's really struggling, somebody with a lot of kids. I know some of the churches, they adopt a whole family. You know, I don't care how good people try to make it. If you got a house full of kids, man, I don't see how people survive, and just the necessities that they need. You know, it's rough. So I thank God I have one child where all of my kids are grown, but y'all know my son lives here with me, and but he by God's grace, he's able to take care of himself. But I do most of the cooking, you know, like on the weekends, when I don't cook or whatever, or during the week he don't have leftovers, he make him a sandwich or whatever. But I just be thankful for provision. You understand what I'm saying? My pastor told a story about him and our head deacon, who was also the chairman of our trustee board. He passed about 2 years ago, and he was telling a story about they were going out somewhere ministering to some of our sick members, and they had come up on a guy. They had stopped at the store to get gas, and the deacon had gone. I think the deacon had gone in the store, and the pastor was in the car, and they saw a man digging in the trash. The man got a plate out of the trash, but guess what he did? He looked in there, he closed it, he blessed that food, and I don't think they let him eat it. I think they stopped him and they gave him money to get something, and they gave him food, whatever. But anyway, just a person who has nothing, But the man was grateful to get the food that somebody else had thrown away out of the trash, and he thanked God for that. Oh my God. Well, yeah. All right. Happy holidays to everyone. If you're feeling lonely, if you're by yourself, know that God loves you. I love you. It's all love over here. If you're looking for inspiration, I did 31 days of prayer for our youth. I do hope and inspiration, just little things. Let you know that God is always with you. You know, and when you're going through something, that's the time to get. That's a lot of times we're going through things. That's God's way of drawing us closer to Him. You know, so be like the Apostle Paul, content in any situation that you're in. Love you guys. Be blessed. And again, happy holidays. Much love.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There